Assalamu alaikum. Account action is required is showing how to remove it. Why did this happen? When you deleted your account from the account or someone else deleted it. In this video we are talking about when you deleted your account from the device. Let's start the video. Subscribe now. As you can see above, it looks like this. Account action is required. It went to sign in. No, you go back. Open settings. Scroll down. Find the account option. All accounts are in front of you. Click on the account that has been deleted. Click on remove account. As you can see, it ends here. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.